Yeah, I'm Sanjay Agarwal. I am the outgoing president of ELCINA and I am MD of Globe Capacitors Private Limited, which is the largest manufacturer of film capacitors in our country. My company exports 40% of their production to countries like Europe, US, Middle East and Far East. Coming to ELCINA, ELCINA is the oldest association of our country. It was founded in 1967 and at that time we were having very small manufacturing in the country, and slowly after 1990 when the new policy came in, then the flip happened to the electronic industry, and today we have more than 400 active members in the association, and we are catering to industries in EMS, to components, to PCB, to semiconductor. Electronics, as you know, is expanding every day. Each day we find that electronics is in every part of our life. Today, in every household, in every car, every appliance, anywhere you go, you can't live with electronics. And ELCINA has been an enabler, everybody in together, bringing in the policies from the government, discussing with the government, helping government from the industry side, approaching them, and also helping the industry get the right kind of partners by organizing B2B events, conferences, like Source India exhibitions we have in Chennai, we have an electronic supply chain summit in Noida, we have a strategic electronic summit in Bangalore. These are our marquee events, and this year was the biggest event we had in Bangalore, which was Electronica Petactronica, and we did a joint venture with Semi, and we did a semicon curtain raiser in Bangalore. ELCINA awards are the oldest awards, as you know. They are 48. This was the 48th edition, and these awards carry a lot of prestige. We have given awards to people like Mr. Kohli, Mr. Tata, Mr. Sanjay Chowdhary. We have Mr. Sunil Vachani. So we have new generation entrepreneurs as well as oldest generation entrepreneurs, and these awards, you could see there was a full house today, and we cover a wide segment of awards. We are not limiting to just exports, quality and R&D, but we have PCB, we have startups, and we encourage people to come forward, excel in their field and apply for awards. And we have a very credible jury, which includes professionals in the field, officers from IT, which gives them a lot of credibility to our awards, and we are very happy that they are growing every year and growing every time, and I wish good luck to every person over here. Nearly 10 years of Mr. Modi's rule, he brought a sea change in the electronic industry, rolled out a Digital India project, then there were so many policies were introduced like MSIPs, specs, and we had PLIs to attract investment into electronic industry in our country, and we have been able to bring companies like AMD, Applied Materials, Micron in semiconductor field, and so many other Indian companies have been able to come up like Sirma SGS, we have Dixon, we have Keynes, we have Centum, and they all are role models for our country, and I believe that we would be able to achieve the target what our government has set for $300 billion by 2025-26. It would be a landmark moment for our country.